When in the course of human events it becomes necessary for one people to dissolve the political bands which have connected them with another and to assume among the powers of the earth this separate and equal station to which the laws of nature and of nature's God entitle them, a decent respect to the opinions of mankind requires that they should declare the causes which impel them to this separation.
We are here with the men of our future. That's a little scary, but we're here on the 4th of July. How you doing, guys?
Pretty good.
Doing good.
Barrett, Alex, and Jacob. We're going to shoot the AK, which will quickly become a 4th of July tradition. And also, what else? The 1022 with the carbine kit, the M1 carbine kit, which is really cool. Bob, we need to I need you to get you to look at these sights too eventually because they're rough. Okay, Alex, do you have your target?
Yes.
That metal plate. Right now, you got to take it off safety. There you go.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. You're hitting it. Hold on, let me zoom in on the target. Okay. Good job.
No, I ended that one. Okay.
Good job.
Safety on.
I think you hit it every time. Got on safety?
Yep.
Something's rolling down.
Okay, what you want to do is eject the magazine.
Check the magazine.
Right here.
Oh, right here.
Pull that forward. There you go. Now pull the magazine out. There you go. Pull the rifle back a little bit. You're jamming. There you go.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Don't worry.
Now put it.
I broke his fall.
Now, Alex, you haven't ejected the round yet. Eject your. Wait a minute. We're gonna.
Safety?
Off safety. Eject the round.
How? Just pull
Just
back.
pull it back. There you go. Now put it back on safety. Now we'll lay it up here.
That was fun.
Good job. You hit your target every time. Now it's your turn.
Okay.
Okay, now we have Barrett shooting the AK.
I'll aim at the same one Alex did.
Huh? Same target? That's good. We'll have a little friendly competition going on.
Water on this table?
Oh, put it off safety. No. Right there.
Oh.
There you go.
Get out from the table. Okay, now what you want to do when you're shooting, you don't want to lean back. Okay? You want to
I hear you making contact. Let me zoom in now.
Alright.
Ready?
Yeah.
You're high that time. Take your time and squeeze the trigger. There you go.
Or do you feel more?
It's hard to, should have brought the bipod. I mean the tripod.
Am I hitting it?
Now keep that, Barret. Keep that. Don't prop the rifle up on the cleaning rod like that. There you go. Oh yeah, you're hitting it.
Okay.
All right, is it Dad's turn yet? Okay, that little black thing right there is a Butler Creek magazine that has failed me many times.
It's history.
So now it must go bye-bye. You see that, Barret?
Uh-huh.
You must face the raft
May I
of
zoom
the
in on
AK.
it?
Yeah, hold on. Are we ready to say bye-bye to the Butler Creek magazine? Hey, Barret, you got it?
Yep.
Are you gonna zoom in on the?
I got the gun and the black thing in the
zoom in
frame.
on the Butler Creek after this shot.
I totally just got that, Dad.
You did? Okay, zoom in and over there. You see it?
Yeah, I got it, yeah. That's awesome.
I say it's gone, don't you?
That was awesome.
Instant replay.
Okay. You did? Okay, zoom in and over there. You see it?
Yeah, I got it, yeah. That's awesome.
There, you see that bottle right there?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah.
It just goes flying.
Alright, we're gonna go for the, let's see. See all the white stuff on top of the hill?
Yeah.
Right. We're clear.
Woohoo!
Happy 4th of July. Gotta do the dirty work too. Can't just shoot. I want y'all to breathe.
4.
I think that's more than 4. I had a couple in there when you started.
Oh. 6, 7.
Okay, Alex, are we on safe?
What?
Safety on?
I think.
Okay, now I've got a round in the chamber, so be careful. Have you acquired your target?
Yes.
Alex is shooting the Colt 1911 70 series.
And I'm shooting at that metal plate, the big
Classic
metal plate.
pistol.
The big,
Yeah, now,
big
are
metal
you,
plate.
you remember where the safety is?
Right here?
Yeah. There you go. Now you're ready now. What are you shooting at?
The big metal plate.
Alright, now just hold it firm. Don't let it flip too much.
Alright, ready?
Mm-hmm. Oh, time out.
Here, I'll hold it. There.
I'm putting it back on safety, okay? I don't think the magazine was seated. Make sure you don't push the... I think you pushed the magazine release. Be careful not to push the magazine release right there.
Oh, okay.
Because the magazine was hanging out the bottom. Alright, you ready to go off safety again?
Ready?
Okay. Hold it firm.
No more delay.
What in the world? Hold on. Hold on.
that?
Alright, let's try one more time.
Take 3.
Make sure you hold it firm.
Safety off.
Yeah.
There we go.
And take your time and squeeze the trigger.
Woo!
Hold it firm, Alex. You got a lot of flip going on there. Now, what are you shooting at?
The metal plate at the very end.
Don't shoot my target stand, boy. Go ahead. You're low.
Alright.
That's caused by that's caused by jerking the trigger. Just squeeze the trigger.
Safety on.
What, are you quitting?
Yeah.
What's wrong with you, boy?
Third time.
Alright.
Release.
You got safety on?
Yep.
Gotta push it in hard.
And then check.
Yeah.
I still can't do that.
Yeah, you can.
I'll hold it.
I think you're actually...
Oh,
Well,
maybe.
you had the safety on, dude.
Oh.
Let's eject it first.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Is Barret gonna shoot?
I guess.
Okay.
Okay, it's Barret's turn. Now, Barret, you want to remember, you want to stiffen out your arms a little bit. There you go. Now, you're on safe, so push the safety down. Keep your finger off the trigger first.
Where's safety? I don't know.
Right here.
Oh,
Okay. Now, make sure you acquire your target before you put your finger on the trigger.
I guess the little metal circle.
Okay. You got more flip than Alex. You need to hold on to that thing, man.
I'll hold it.
A little better. Don't put your finger on the hammer.
Freaking hurts, man.
Oh, good gosh. You're playing too many Call of Duty war games. It doesn't hurt in a video game, does it? It ought to. It ought to hurt like crap. Alright, what are you, which one are you aiming at? The small one?
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead and try it. Oh, wait a minute, you're out.